All right, what's up, guys? This is our first SAT problem. All right, this is problem number one in your homework assignment. So if you weren't here today, just watch these videos so you can just stay on track of where we're at right now. All right, and so this is to prepare you for the PSAT. We have about 3 weeks before that you take the state PSAT. And so this is the very first problem on the recent one you took. All right, so the question reads, the Challenger Deep, the deepest known part of the Marana Trench, reaches a depth of 10,994 meters. Approximately, what is the depth of the Challenger Deep in feet? 1 meter equals 3.28 feet. All right, so we're gonna draw the picture first so you can kind of see what's going on. All right, so a trench is pretty much just like a big old sinkhole between the surface. And this is really the trench part here. So like in like World War One, in Europe when Germany was fighting against America, a lot of the soldiers fought in dirty, muddy trenches. And so these trenches literally, like, they would just battle and kill and shoot each other in these trenches. And these trenches was full of mud, rats. Like, they literally had to like stay in these muddy trenches for like a long time while fighting at the same time. And so a trench is just it's like a hole. It's a deep hole. In our problem here, the trench has a depth of 10,904 meters. And we know that this is a distance. This is some value x, right? And so what we're trying to figure out is, what is this distance in a different unit? What is this distance in feet? All right. And so this is just a 1t conversion, one step or 1t conversion. And on the SAT, I believe you had about 2 of these problems. All right, and so we're going to first write out the number you're converting, which is 10,994 meters. All right, and then we're going to put aside our conversion here. So we can reference it. 1 meter equals 2.8 feet. All right, and so let's go ahead and convert it. So what you do is you put the unit with the same unit as the number at the top diagonal to it. You put the number with the same unit as the number on the top diagonal to it. So that's going to be 1 meter. And you put the other number that has the other unit at the top of the T. So at the bottom of T, you put the number with the same unit as this one. And then at the top of the T, you put the number that has the other unit. 3.28 feet. All right, and then the rule is, if the 1 is at the bottom, you multiply, and if the 1 is at the top, you divide. And I'm talking about this one here. This one right here. Okay, so if this 1 is at the bottom, you're going to multiply these two numbers here. And if the 1 is at the top, you'll divide the two non-1 numbers. All right, so let's take out a calculator. 10,000, we're gonna, this is multiplication, so it's gonna be 10,994 times 3.28. That answer in meters, excuse me, in feet is going to be 36,060 feet. And so a feet and a meter are pretty, like, they're kind of close to each other, but a meter is a little bit bigger than a foot. So this makes sense why this number got bigger. 10,994 meters is 36,060 feet. And that is the same distance as the same other one. It's just a different unit. All right, thank you.